Did you know the tallest mountain in our solar system is Olympus Mons, 3 times taller than Mount Everest? Now, can you guess which planet it's on? I'm ESA astronaut John McFall, and today we're training like astronauts to climb a Martian mountain, like Olympus Mons. If you've got a climbing wall, great. If not, use a playground, like monkey bars or a climbing frame. Okay, let's go. Start at the bottom. Use your arms to guide and legs and core for power. Don't just rely on your arms. If a reach is too far, move your feet or try a different grip. Climbing is like a puzzle. Try, adjust, and keep going. Made it to the top? Awesome job. Now climb down safely or jump down from a low height, landing on your feet and rolling onto your back if you need to. No wall? Head to a playground, climb the frame, or swing on the monkey bars to build the same strength and coordination. Don't forget to rest and hydrate between climbs. Climbing trains your whole body, legs, core, arms, and even your brain. Future astronauts might need these climbing skills to explore rocky terrain or scaling massive volcanoes on planets like Mars. Do you think you could reach the top? You've got this, space explorers. See you on the summit.